Airbrush is a perfect tool to paint various mediums like paint, dyes, inks and makeup on any canvas or surface. It provides more finesse finish than normal spray painting. But airbrushes alone are not capable of completing large tasks. To complete tasks at a bigger volume, an airbrush compressor is an appropriate addition, as it provides continuous air supply for extended airbrushing. We have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Master Airbrush Cool offers multiple airbrush compressor options. And the Runner 2 dual fan air compressor comes with various accessories and provides a compact package. This airbrush compressor is in the first position in this video as it is very quiet with decent performance. It offers 0 to 57 psi air pressure adjustment range. You also get a total of 3 airbrushes and 6 primary acrylic paints included with this airbrush compressor. The 1/5 of a horsepower single piston compressor is more than enough for your airbrush painting needs. It generates a minimum level of heat while running for an extensive period of time, because of both the 2 cooling fans. Furthermore, this product comes with Model G22, Model E91 and Model G25, 3 most successful airbrushes of this company. Even though the motor of this airbrush compressor is decently powerful, it does not get hot at all. This is possible as it has 2 inbuilt cooling fans, which ensure that the compressor does not heat up. And the compressor, as well as the included accessories, offers a decent build quality. Furthermore, the company provides a warranty of 5 years. California Air Tools is another great option if you are looking for airbrush compressors on Amazon. And the Cat 1P1060S is one of the largest air compressors. It comes with a large air tank of 1 gallon which allows you to use your airbrush for a long time at once. This product offers a motor 0.6 horsepower that generates a maximum airflow of 1.2 cmf. And this airbrush compressor can generate an air pressure of up to 90 psi on-demand air pressure. Alongside, it is noticeably silent, creating noise of only 56 decibels. Even though this airbrush compressor is quite large and powerful, it only weighs 29.5 pounds and the oil-free pump results in very low maintenance for this airbrush compressor. It is made out of steel for optimum build quality. We have yet another airbrush compressor model of Master Airbrush in this video. And just like the previous one, this is also a multi-purpose kit. This product comes with all the necessary equipment that you need for airbrushing. It is in the 3rd position in this video as you get a great airbrush called Airbrush G22 with it. Airbrush G22 is a high-performance quality product that comes with a 1/3 of an ounce gravity fluid cup and a 0.3 mm fluid tip. The compressor itself comes with a 1/5 horsepower air compressor with air filtration and regulation system. You also get an easy-to-use carry handle, 6 braided air hose, 1/5 single piston. A great thing about this airbrush compressor is that it comes with a 5-year warranty. In other words, it is one of the most reliable and durable options out there. The affordable price of this compressor makes it an excellent value for money option. ZENY Pro is another excellent option if you are looking for budget airbrush compressors. As a result, you can expect decent power from this compressor for painting using an airbrush. This ZENY Pro can reach an air pressure of up to 57 psi with its 1/5 horsepower compressor motor. And it can do this without getting too loud since it has a noise level of just 59 decibels. As a result, using this silent airbrush compressor is quite easy as it is also quite compact. It has a PSI range of 0 to 57 psi. The massive 3 liters air tank allows you to use this compressor for a long time for airbrushing. You can also adjust the airflow and its dryness using the various gauges offered by this compressor. And a great thing about it is that it provides a 1-year warranty. Coming to the last airbrush compressor, we have a popular option from COSSCCI. And this compressor is quite different from all other options in this video. It is a handheld, portable, and convenient airbrush which comes with a charging cable. This combines the airbrush as well as the compressor unit into one. As a result, it is an excellent option for miniature work like food or ornament airbrush painting. As for power, this airbrush compressor charges over USB and takes 30 to 50 minutes to charge fully. You can charge this device using any USB-capable device like a car, laptop, or even with a phone charger while traveling. Thus, the usability and the lower maintenance hazard of this product make this product a must-have airbrushing device for every type of airbrush artist.